We start in India, where the country is kicking off the world's largest election. Polls opened in the general election on Monday and will close in early May. Online, Indians are sharing why they plan to vote using this Google interactive map to express their hopes. Well, in timely fashion, the BJP, a nationalist party, released its manifesto, which circulated quickly using the hashtag BJP Manifesto. Ruling Congress Party supporters discussed similarities with their own manifesto using hashtag Copycat Manifesto. Next, artists are putting a face to drone victims. In Pakistan's northwest frontier province, drone operators will see a large portrait of a victim's face. Using the hashtag #NotABugSplat, the collective hopes to raise awareness and humanize Pakistani civilians. Now to Kenya, where police raided Somali communities following a bombing last week in Nairobi. Many are using hashtag Kasarani concentration camp to discuss those detained at a football stadium. Nomadic tweets, innocent Somalis detained in Kenya and put into cages. Officials say the crackdown is intended to ensure national security. And finally, we continue to fight for our detained colleagues in Egypt, marking 100 days since their arrest. You can join the campaign using hashtag FreeAJStaff. Josh?